Roo Rogers is a British-American entrepreneur, business designer and author based out of London. He sits at the intersection of investment and frontier markets and invests with a unique blend of capital and capacity at scale, with investments in over 120 seed-stage businesses in countries including Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Kenya, Rwanda, and South Africa. Roo is currently the CEO of Johannesburg-based venture development company Founders Factory Africa, which aims to build and scale 80-plus tech-enabled businesses across all 54 countries in Africa over the next 5 years. Rogers was born in January 1975 to his parents Richard Rogers, architect, and Ruth Rogers, chef and restaurateur of the River Café, London. He received his BA from Columbia College and his Master's in Development Economics from University College London. In 2013, Rogers was a partner at the award-winning design and innovation firm, FuseProject, where he held strategic partnerships with hundreds of major tech organizations and corporates such as Google, Facebook, PayPal, Intel, Samsung, 3M and Johnson & Johnson, as well as investment firms and PE funds. While at FuseProject, Rogers launched Spring, a business accelerator which has scaled over 75 growth stage ventures across 9 countries in Africa and South Asia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.